Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to break down the RS Taichi Cordura Hoodie. The RS Taichi Cordura Hoodie retails for $199.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's jump into sizing. That can be kind of confusing sometimes with some of the RS Taichi product. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 196 pounds, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size extra large right now in the hoodie, and I feel the fit is exactly where I'd want it. It's good, it's comfortable. There is plenty of stretch and mobility to it. This is a cool product. What they've done here is this shell of the hoodie, it has Cordura woven right into it, okay? So it's not like, say, a pair of Kevlar jeans where you have that liner, right? You got the jean, then you got the Kevlar stuff, and then maybe you have like a mesh liner. This has just the outer shell of the Cordura. In the arms, sleeve area, and some of the chest, there is a mesh liner, and there's a little floating mesh pocket in the back to hold the back protection too, right? Feels real comfortable when you have it on. You could easily slide the armor out of this and also use it for just a standard hoodie. It has a rather solid amount of thickness to it, right? You get the sense when you have this thing in your hands and you're touching it, this is way more than your standard Under Armour hoodie. They make nice stuff, but there's no tear or abrasion resistance with this. So Taichi tried to blend in some technical protective ability with this, along with comfort. Armor that's included. It has some really thin CE level 1 soft shell armor and pockets here, adjustable pockets, elbow form, and shoulder. It is super low profile. We'll show it to you in the second part of this video. It has a foam back pad. And like Caleb said, you can kind of see the outline of that, like you notice that, but it is, a casual motorcycle jacket. That is just a foam pad. It's not CE certified. It's able to manage some level of impact protection. If you want more, we have CE inserts that are sold separate. You'll find them in the Taichi Armor section of our website. Let's say you want chest protection. This does have the chest protection connection system built into it if you're interested in that. Storage pockets. 2 hand warmer external storage pockets that both have YKK zips on them. If you like what you see so far and you want a little closer look, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to take this thing off, give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the Cordura hoodie from the inside out. Let's start off with the armor that is included with it. This is the foam back pad that is in the pocket. We'll show you in a second. There's no certification with this. It does, however, have the ability to manage some level of impact. If you find yourself wanting more protection, look to the Taichi Armor section on our website. We have inserts that are CE certified from Taichi available that slide right into that pocket. It'll take your protection to the next level. This looks really familiar to me, this armor too. This is along the same lines as we saw Alpine Star's release in the spring of 2020 as well. And it's a very moldable, flexible, comfortable, slimline, ventilated CE level 1 armor. This is the elbow and forearm piece. This is the shoulder piece. Those install in adjustable pockets that allow you to move the armor around a little bit. If you find it needs to be a little higher, you can do that. A little lower, you can do that in the elbow or the shoulder. Pretty creative stuff from Taichi. Chest protection, okay? I realize this is a Cordura hoodie and a lot of people may not even be thinking about chest protection, but I do want to point out the fact that that option is available with this garment as well. If you want to add chest protection to it, Taichi has several options. We're showing you right now the sold separately Helenix separate chest pad. That snap attachment system literally snaps right in place. It's held in there and it takes the protection of this garment to the next level. If you're going to add that, odds are you're for sure going to buy a CE back pad. Let's say that you have no interest in adding chest protection, right? Or if you need to adjust it to raise or lower the chest protection, those snaps are just simply Velcroed on, and look at that. Need it higher? Put it higher. Need it lower? You put it lower. You say to yourself, I'm not going to use that. You just take it off and go throw it in the closet. The shell of the hoodie itself has Cordura fabric blended right in. It's woven right in, so you don't see multiple layers here, right? There is an inner mesh liner strategically placed. We'll show you that for comfort, right? But the shell of the hoodie itself is abrasion and tear resistant. When you get it in your hands, you kind of get that sense. This isn't just like some Under Armour hoodie. It is much more substantial than that. Knit cuff at the bottom, knit cuff at the termination of the sleeves. A little reflective patch here. Taichi logo is done on the hood in like a silicone print. That's kind of trick. Roll it over. Super clean. There's a nice little subtle Taichi logo there. The front of the hoodie. This is a neat, and once again, I'm going to say this, Taichi, they're all about the details, okay? So it's a hoodie. You have hood strings. Look what these dudes did. There is a snap on the end of the string that attaches inside of the hoodie, right there in kind of the breast area, easy to get to. So when you're riding around, these things aren't flailing behind you, okay, just getting all tangled up or whatever. Some Japanese ingenuity there. That is pretty cool. Storage pockets are all exterior on this, okay? Hand warmer style, both sides, and they have a zipper in place, okay? So anything you put in there is going to be safe. Got a nice little zipper pull here, heavy gauge zip. Get inside the hoodie itself. We've got a mesh liner up here in the chest area as well as in the sleeves. That's just going to enhance the comfort, and it helps hold the armor in place. You need that mesh liner to hold your armor. The back protector, right? It's kind of a floating pocket. It's kind of neat what they did here. That literally just slides in there and Velcros closed. Very simple situation. At the end of the day, this is a pretty trick hoodie, right? Retail price is $199. This is for a rider who is looking for that casual protection, but is not willing to go out and ride in just a standard sweatshirt. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to help you all out.